of the names that you recommend are the kind of familiar stay-at-home plays. Are there any new additions to this list?
Yeah, I mean, so a lot of the stocks that we highlight in this note are, some of the stocks that have done very well from consumers being stuck at home. So Lowe's, Tractor Supply, Amazon, Wayfair. But then we also look at stocks that will benefit from consumers moving out into less population dense areas. So, millennials moving out to the suburbs and maybe buying their first home. That would benefit the bedding stocks. Think about Tempur Sealy, TPX, which is not one of the names that has gotten a significant rally during COVID. So, we tried to highlight a couple of other stocks that aren't quite as obvious in this report that will ultimately be beneficiaries of this urban exodus.
That's fascinating. Maybe it helps Casper, too. I don't know. Who else would be on that list of that kind of demographic trend?
Sure. I mean, Purple as well, a really interesting betting stock that has really just become a big up-and-comer. Also, RH and Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, Bed Bath & Beyond shares are under a lot of pressure today, but when you think about the things that you need to furnish and decorate a home, that's often one of the first places people go. They also have a really strong e-commerce department, so they aren't quite as reliant on those, on people being in the stores, which we think is important for right now. And they also just shored up their liquidity in a pretty big way. So we think that they're in a pretty good position here, especially to benefit post-COVID, for a multi-year period.
And you're also raising your price target on Tractor Supply. And people should know that's a gym play as well, a workout. We got our horse mats there. They weigh about 90 pounds each, but they're fantastic as gym flooring, Liz. So you've only raised the price target by $6, but how much upside could Tractor Supply have here?
Yeah, I mean, one of the reasons why that one we didn't raise the price target quite as much as as you might think is because they've already told us what their quarter-to-date trends are looking like. They're very strong. That's already priced into analyst expectations for the second quarter. Not quite as much when you think about Lowe's and the second quarter expectations there. The credit card data that we've been tracking at Bank of America has shown incredibly strong trends in home improvement spending, and yet the consensus estimates are still calling for mid to high single-digit growth for sales in the second quarter for Lowe's. So I think there's potentially some opportunity for upside there. Longer term with Tractor Supply, though, remember that this is a growth retailer. They're still building new stores. They're still expanding their store base, whereas Lowe's and Home Depot are not. They're pretty much just staying with the same level of store. So Tractor Supply is a growth retailer that's still trading at a pretty attractive multiple at around 22 times.